Projectors under $1,000 aren't usually this good, and when this one goes on sale, it's actually half that price. Let's get started. So a projector company reached out to me to sponsor this video called Yaber, and I was a bit apprehensive at first because I didn't know the brand, and Amazon is full of projectors that you get what you pay for. Yaber, on the other hand, actually seems more like a disruptor, and I'm here for it. So the projector we're gonna be looking at today is the Yaber K3 Projector, and this is normally priced at $600 and has 1,600 ANSI lumens. Those two things don't go together. Now, as I've said in past videos, lumens are very important to determine the quality of a projector, and there's something that can be manipulated. It's why you always want to look after ANSI lumens instead of just lumens. Lumens can be a fake number, essentially, that you have to be wary of. If brands just put lumens, it probably isn't actually as bright as they say it is. But if it's ANSI lumens, it's a true measurement that is an industry standard, and you can go by that to see really good quality in terms of brightness. So when I received this projector and noticed that it was as bright as projectors that I reviewed that are $2,000, well, I was pretty impressed. With its high brightness, you can actually see this in non-dark rooms fairly easily. But of course, it always will look better in a dark room, just for the amazing quality that you really want to see in a projector TV. So the screen quality really is well above its price point. If you're looking for a projector under $1,000 that you can see during the day, well, your search has ended. Here it is. It also comes with really good sound quality with JBL speakers that are a total of 30 watts. This is really impressive, and again, is above the quality at this price point. And it just sounds good. Take a listen for yourself.
We're meant to be, so let's go fulfill prophecy. I'll be your hero, baby, if you let me. I promise I will be there for you in your time of need, in your darkest hour, on your brightest day. Avengers!
And it unlocks. And it's just amazing to show off. When I showed my son, he literally said, "Whoa, that's so cool. How'd you do that?" It is just that kind of excitement in tech. So I thought that was really impressive. To me, it definitely competes with bigger speakers, and it's honestly better than most sound bars that are over $1,000 easily just for the sound bar itself, and this is part of a projector. Then you have full Google TV with all of the built-in apps you could want, which is nice because that means you don't have to have a separate adapter just to get everything you need from streaming services such as Netflix, Disney+, Max, they're all here. Everything on Google TV you can pretty much get on this device. The I/O on the back is pretty good, having 2 HDMI connections, a USB, Ethernet, and aux, so really happy to see that for all of its direct connections. And then for its wireless ones, you have Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth. So you're pretty much set across the board if you want to connect a controller to play a Google TV video game, or if you want to connect it and want to make sure that it's currently set up with your current Wi-Fi. This is pretty good because you have all the connections you can need or want. You can hook up a gaming system to it, you can hook up a DVD player to it. You can also hook up a controller to it with the Bluetooth if you want to play a Google Android app. Or you can, of course, connect it via Wi-Fi to most devices if you want to cast to it. No problem. It has things you would want in a projector, like autofocus, keystone correction, screen fit, and obstacle avoidance. It is also pretty quiet as well for its price point, which my wife has now told me she really appreciates. The last projector we reviewed a little while back that was a TV replacement actually does make louder fan noises than our one before, so it's something I'm taking a look at now, and I do appreciate how much quieter this one is in comparison. And the price, like I said earlier, is $600 normal price. That is just really a good bang for the buck kind of deal that I think anyone that's looking for a TV replacement and that is kind of in between, should I get a projector or should I get a TV? This one really stands out for that purpose. And actually at the time of filming, it's coming in at $100 off, so $500, $499, really amazing for that price point. All the links will be in the description, but I just have to say that is just a great price to really make you take a look and see if you want a projector to have a 100-inch display wherever you're looking to put a TV. And while it is 1080p instead of 4K for this model, I will say that I don't think that many people notice a difference. people really do notice the brightness, the color, and just how big and grand it looks versus the overall quality. And when I say that people don't notice the difference, 3 out of the 4 people in my house, me being the odd one out, couldn't tell the difference when it was compared to our $2,000 projector versus this projector that's going in at $500 on sale right now. That is substantial. And I will say that even my son actually wants this to replace his 4K 65-inch TV that he has in his bedroom because he likes this so much more, which again, as I've said time and time again, projectors and kids, it's just fun. It's a great combination and they just always love it. And honestly, I love the fact that we're getting this kind of quality for this price point. And when I say Yaber is challenging the status quo, what I mean by that is that they are challenging what other projectors are giving by giving it at a much lower price point and still making it really good quality. I actually just saw this at CES with a new short throw projector they have. And this is exciting because we're actually getting higher quality specs at a lower tier price. And that's what I call a disruptor. Anyone that can actually make something for a lower price and it's still good quality is just something that I'm really interested in to share with you guys, because we can all use a better price point while still having good quality products. So let me know what you think. What would you choose? For this price point, you can really compare a 100-inch screen projector versus a 65-inch TV. Which would you go with in which room? Let me know in the comments section. Thank you as always so much for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Also, follow me on social media at YouTube Tech Guy. And check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.